Trelawny farmer last seen at grave digging found dead at his home. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police in Trelawny are investigating the circumstances surrounding the death of an 83-year-old man who goes by the name Arthur McNeil, a farmer of First Hill, Jacksontown in the parish, who was found dead at his residence on Friday, January the 3rd. Reports are that sometime after 1:30 p.m., a neighbor who last saw McNeil at a grave digging on Monday, December the 30th, 2024, went to make checks at his home. On arrival, he noticed flies coming from a window and proceeded to contact the police and fire department. On arrival, the body of McNeil was found on a bed in an advanced state of decomposition. The body was removed to the morgue pending postmortem examination. The Trelawny police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.